Formula Renault is a traditional breeding ground for motorsport talents. From 2019, this Series 2 started to race on Hankook tyres.
One thing that we ask from the tires in this series, which is educational, is that the tires are consistent, that are constant, and not hard to use for new drivers. And this is what we found with the Hankook tires. It's this consistency that allow the drivers to learn their job, but also us to detect the drivers.
Renault really gets something going here. In the first season together with Hankook, they have races at Formula 1 events, and here at the DTM finale. Perfect platforms, spectacular races, good shows, and above all, really talented new drivers. The rookie title in this series for newcomers is decided even before the final round. 17-year-old Brazilian Caio Collet was crowned Rookie of the Year, so best of the newcomers in Hockenheim.
Yeah, it's really nice. I think the tires give a lot of grip to the car, and it's really nice and really challenging as well.